Hey everyone, Kyle of Prolux here, and welcome to part one of our three-part series where we'll dive into everything you need to know about the new Prolux QX Canister series. In this first video, we'll unbox the unit, take a look inside the box so you guys can see exactly what's included when you receive yours. Before I unbox the QX90, I want to quickly go over the slight differences between the two models. The more tan brown color QX is going to be the QX60. The cans are going to be exactly the same except the color, and the QX60 includes a Wieselwerk EBK 250 head, whereas the QX90 includes a Wieselwerk 360. So the unboxing process is going to be very similar. The only difference is going to be the power head and the color of the can. Alright, so let's go ahead and cut the tape on the box. There's going to be a brown box. This is going to have the mini turbo inside of it, along with some tools. Up next, we're going to have the 6-foot Plastiflex power hose, telescopic wand, onboard tool caddy. You're going to have a bare floor tool, owner's manual. If you need any help answering any questions, please refer to the owner's manual or the instruction manual. You're going to have the Wieselwerk EBK 360 power nozzle. And then you're going to have the QX90 canister. Alright, that's going to be it for part one of our three-part series. In part two, we will assemble the QX90 and also go over how to use it.